Park at the end of the parking lot, they said. Parking between the lines, they said. Only car out here when I came out, when I parked. Is that parking spots over there? Is there still parking spots over there in the actual parking lot of Walmart? Yeah, there's a few over there and a few in there. Nope. Still decide to park right next to me. Doesn't matter, guys. At the end of the day, people, for whatever reason, like to park next to you, no matter what. By the way, this is not even a parking lot for Walmart. This is a parking lot for Sam's. That's Sam's right there. This is the parking lot for Walmart. Hey, got a package. What is that? Got an egg? Huh, one must have fell from the tree. And welcome back to another video. It is your boy Fatkat, of course, bringing you another video, man. So today, look at this. Got a box, as you guys seen when I picked it up earlier today, or just now, a little while ago. I'm gonna open this up and see what it is. Again, there's something in the front of the car that's missing. In the front of the car, that's missing. Somewhere. See what that is, man. Actually, let's go ahead and unbox it. It's gonna be a quick little video. I always say that, right? It's gonna be a quick video. I'm not gonna put this on today because I need to get some, like, well, I'll tell you guys, explain to you guys here in a second. I'm just gonna open this up. All right, man, and here it is. It's open. He actually sent some cards this time. So this is from Mr. Drew, 392, man. Again, same person that did my my valve covers in the engine bay. If you haven't seen that video, go back and check that out. But Mr. Drew, 392, man. There goes his card. There goes his information. Excuse me. That's what he does in the background. Some of the stuff that he does or whatnot. Make sure you guys go check him out, man. This dude is the truth. I'm telling you, he does this stuff at home. It's you know, he does it on the side, basically trying to get something going. He is in the military. You guys check out his IG and everything else. Again, Mr. Drew 392. It's gonna be in the bottom of the description, or it's gonna be in the description. Make sure you guys go check him out. Hit him up. He will hook you up, man. Tell him Fatkat sent you, and he will definitely hook you up with a great price, man. Shipping. I mean, like I said, you ship them these things, whatever you want to ship them, and within a week, man, you get it back. So basically, it's a 3-day turnaround. Then you got to add the shipping in there. You know what I'm saying? So whatever long it takes for it to ship back to you. But let's see what we got this time, man. Oh, and of course, the packaging is phenomenal. So let me take the time real quick to unpackage this, and I'll be right back with y'all. And bam, there we go, man. Look at these. If you guys don't know what these are, man, these are the snorkels, man, that go, is it this way? Right around here, just like that. You got one on that side, and of course you got one on this side that goes like so, man. So these are the snorkels. I don't know which side it is. Might be this side like that. Either way though, man. But these are the snorkels, man. Hydro dipped in carbon fiber, man. Look at it. Tell me this ain't dope. Again, I'm not gonna put these on right now because when I took some of these off, you know, that some of the tabs broke or whatnot. So I want to make sure I put like glue on it, basically, or some type of something adhesive. So when I put it back on there, you know, it's nice and strong and everything else. But carbon fiber, man, tell me it's not dope. Look at this in the sun again. Look at this. Like, look at that. Noah back there. Look at that, man. Look at that. Tell me that is not dope. Beautiful, 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 man. Again, snorkels done. Carbon fiber hydro dip. He could do them in any color you want. Carbon fiber, obviously, whatever else. I mean, he could do any other stuff in carbon fiber or whatever color you want. Make sure you guys hit him up, man. Mr. Drew 392. Mr. Drew 392. Bottom of the description. Tell him Fatkat sent you. Fast shipping. This dude is phenomenal. I'm not just saying that because, oh, you know, I'm trying to, like, I'm not affiliated with him as far as, like, getting money off of him. Nothing. He just does good work, man. He's in the military. Obviously, you guys know I'm a vet. He's in the military. So, obviously, I got to support my troops, as they say, man. But support, you know, my fellow veterans, my fellow active duty service members, and so on and so forth, man. But it's not even about that, man. Regardless, though, this dude is the truth, man. He does freaking good work. I mean, look at this crap. Crap, not crap. Look at this. Look at these snorkels. All right, man. So, Mr. Drew 392, carbon fiber. Again, carbon fiber. Going to be super nasty when I put it in there. I'm just going to set it up there right now so you guys can see. But look at that, man. So when it's all said and done, it's going to match perfectly with the ones on the bottom, basically. And it's going to be all carbon fibered out, man. God, I'm so excited to put these on. I'll probably wait till I go over to Keith's house so we can do another Sunday fun day. He got something he got to put on his car as well, on his Hellcat, bagged Hellcat. So he might just do everything because I know he got pretty much glue and adhesives or whatever else. He got all that stuff over there already at his shop. So we probably go over there probably within the next couple of days or next week or two. And then we put these on along with putting on the other stuff he got going on for his car. All right. Anyway, that's it for this one, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. Tell me what you guys think about these, man. Are these dope or not dope? Look at Noah over there.
It's cold. It's hot.
Noah over there acting a fool, man. Anyway, but yeah.
I'm going to a pool where there's a lady that poops.
Anyway, man, so that's it for this one. Again, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bells. You guys know my boy Fatkat, man. I greatly appreciate all the support I've been getting thus far. 2020 is gonna be a big year right now. He had a game yesterday, by the way. I didn't record it, but he had a nice goal, and then he had like 1 or 2 assists, man. Right? He's super humble.
But one of them wasn't a goal because the ref, it came out of the goalkeeper's hand.
Oh yeah, that should have been a goal, exactly. He didn't know what he was talking about. Anyway, man, but other than that, man, again, appreciate all the support we've been getting already in 2020. It's going to be a dope year, man. We're going to keep going up, keep leveling up and everything else. And everybody else is out there, man, make sure you guys do the same. Level up, don't ever stop, don't ever quit no matter what. And again, like I always say, man, we say 2020, but your success is not based off of a calendar, man. Do it today. Start today, do what you got to do. And keep moving up, baby. That's all I gotta say, man. Like, comment, subscribe, the notification bells. You guys know my boy Fatkat. And we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.
Bye.
Wait. My bad. Focus in a little bit. There you go. My bad. Did you guys like that sound effect? Probably not. I don't know. It was stupid. But anyway, moving on though. I forgot to say, man. I don't know what happened in the last couple days. Over this last, probably 3 or 4 days. But I'm been getting back to pretty much the amount of subs I used to get when I first started this channel, close to about 100 a day. So, which means that it's put me to that 10,000 mark, or it's getting me close to that 10,000 mark rather quickly in the last couple of days. Matter of fact, by the time you guys see this, probably by tomorrow, whatever it is, well, Tuesday is when I'll be posting this. So probably by Tuesday or Wednesday, I'll be already at 10,000 subscribers. And if you don't know, at 10,000 subscribers, I'm giving away a hydro dipped carbon fiber spoiler, man. V2 style. I can't. It's not at my house right now. It's actually at Keith's shop, so I cannot show it to you guys right now. But I do have a video of me unboxing that. So make sure you guys go back and check that out if you don't know what I'm talking about. Go back and check. Matter of fact, I'll put that video. I'll link that video in the description so you guys can go straight to it. So that way, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, it is a spoiler, hydro dip carbon fiber spoiler for a Dodge Charger, right? 2015 through 19, or 20, I guess now, but 15 through 19. It is completely free, man. All you got to do is be subscribed to the channel. At 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to put out the, my bad. I know it's kind of bright. That's the TV right there. Making me all bright right now. But anyway, at 10,000 subscribers, I will be putting out the rules, pretty much, of how you have to enter to go ahead and enter in for that giveaway. But again, completely free, man. You just got to be, well, like I said, I put out the rules for or how do you enter for that. But again, carbon fiber, hydro dip carbon fiber, I gotta keep saying that. Hydro dip carbon fiber rear spoiler, V2 style. I will be putting it in the link in the description. Make sure you guys check out that video if you don't already know what it is. Hey man, 10,000 subscribers. And let me go ahead and take this time and go ahead and say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. We hit 10K we hit 10K in the beginning of 2020, man. That means we can only go up from here. I'm so excited for the rest of the year, man. Starting off the decade right, and man, can't be more blessed, man. So again, I greatly appreciate everybody out there that's watching my videos, enjoying the videos, giving all the positive feedback and everything else. Can't say much more than that, man. I love everybody out there, man. Again, that watches the videos and man, just enjoys the content, man. I can't say more about it. I never ever would have thought that I'll be a YouTuber with 10,000 subscribers and you know, and then gunning for more, man. You know, you take it for granted, man, because you know you think, oh man, a lot of people got 10,000 subscribers, a lot of people got 100,000 subscribers, right? But you guys understand how hard it really is, man, to do this stuff. You know, just to do content all the time, consistently, and you know, on top of that, edit everything consistently, and then throw it, you know, and then put it out there for everybody to see. Especially when you have a family. You know, it's one thing if you're out there and no shot to anybody who's single or whatever, but when you're single, man, you're just living for you. You know what I'm saying? You just got you. Maybe you got your girl or your man or whatever the case. But you know what I'm saying? If you don't got no kids and all that, act like an actual family unit, you know, things come a little bit, I won't say easier, but you got a little bit more time. You know, because the things that you are doing are just for you. Or you know what I'm saying? Even if you do like play sports, you got extracurriculars or whatever, that's things that you want to do. You know what I'm saying? To keep yourself busy. But when you got kids, man, and then you know you're married and everything else, and you got to take care of an actual house and pay bills and everything else. Like I said, it's a little bit different, man. So completely respect everybody out there. First of all, I respect anybody doing YouTube, really. But on top of that, everybody else is out there doing it with, you know, trying to make it with the family unit and everything else. Hey, I salute you, man, because definitely, man, it's definitely difficult. My fellow YouTubers that are up and coming, they can attest to that, man. So, but again, it's not impossible. I'm not trying to make it sound like, you know, it's too hard for anybody. I mean, I try to put everybody on it, man, because it's definitely something good to you know, put yourself out there, whatever the case, man. And like I said, even if you're not looking at it for like a huge monetary gain, man, it's just cool, man, to engage with people that you never met, that you don't know, and especially when they receive you well, right? And you know, and they like the content you're putting out, man. That's pretty dope. And the fact that people actually, you know, kind of look at you for inspiration and you know, motivation and everything else, man. So like I said, again, I greatly appreciate it. All right, I blabbered enough. 10,000 subscribers, thank you very much. Again, I couldn't ask for much more than this, man. So 10,000 subscribers, gonna be our first giveaway on this channel, and there's gonna be many more to come, man. So again, thank you very much, man. All right, that's it for real this time. We'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.